Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, Keller Williams, coming to you with the 3Rivers Market Report for April 3rd, 2024. And today is, what the hail? We just had hail a few minutes ago, and my 3Rivers report's a little wet, so I got to be careful with it. But I got the numbers for you. Market's still moving, even with usually a little bit of a slowdown this week, possibly next because of spring break. But we're still seeing a lot of activity. I know anecdotally I had a lot of showings yesterday. Got some activity I got to do today. But up arrows definitely beat the down arrows again this week. Looks like we had 356 active available homes for sale in the Fort Wayne Popular. Active available listings down 2%. Week over week, up 45% year over year. And we're seeing that's been about the same with the listings here recently. So it's showing demand still there as soon as homes are listed. You know, they're coming back on. That active available homes has been about the same, been steady for about 7 weeks. Since we saw the low on inventory back on March 9th, 2022, where we only had 142 active available listings. But the active available listings year over year are up 45%. New listings, and that active available homes are new and existing homes that are available for sale on the market right now. So they're not under contract, they're not pending or in escrow. New listings, which go to active once they become new, we're seeing about the same for the last 4 weeks. They've been steady since a spike on March 13th, which we believe started the spring season this year. New listings are down week over week, 5%, up 25% year over year. Solds have been up 4 of the last 6 weeks. This week, they were up 17%. Year over year, they're up 11%. Pendings have been up and down the last 8 weeks. We keep seeing it up, then a down. Down 11% this week, week over week, but up 3% year over year. Median sale price came in at $248,000, up 22% over last year, so showing 22% appreciation based on that number. Days on market came in at 35 average, 6 median, which is a little slower than last week and a little slower than last year. Versus last year, we were sitting at 25 average and 2 median, which is a really extremely low median. Homes sold over the last 12 months were 4,277 versus last year 4,877 at this time over the last 12 months. So showing about 12.3% down from last year. But remember, that number's still going up. We believe it's going to hit 0 or go positive by the end of the year. And there are about 6 active buyers per listing that comes on the market right now. We have just over a 1-month inventory. And that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. And watch out, the hail's done now and the sun's back out. So we're into another season now. But we got some weird weather in this spring coming. So everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.